At a restaurant, asking about the menu.
Hi, I have some questions about the menu. I wrote them down.
I love that. What do you want to know?
What is coleslaw?
It's shredded cabbage with a creamy dressing. It's served cold, like a salad.
Cabbage with a creamy dressing. Okay, that sounds good.
It comes with most sandwiches here.
Good. Next question. What is grilled?
Grilled means cooked over direct heat, instead of fried in oil.
Oh, healthier then?
Yes, usually a little healthier than fried food.
Okay, I want the grilled chicken then.
Good choice. That comes with a side.
A side? What is that?
A small extra food, like fries or coleslaw.
Oh, I see. I'll have the coleslaw then.
Great choice. Anything to drink?
Just water, please.
Okay, grilled chicken with coleslaw and water.
Yes, that's right.
I'll bring that out soon.
Thank you for explaining everything. I had many questions.
No problem at all. I like helping people understand the menu.
That makes me feel comfortable here.
I'm glad. Let me know if you have more questions.
I might. Thank you, Tasha.
You're welcome.
Returning food at a restaurant. This is really good. How's yours?
It's okay. I don't know. Something feels off.
What's wrong?
It's really fatty. There's just too much fat on it.
Oh, are you going to tell them?
Maybe. I feel bad, though.
Just ask. They won't mind.
Yeah. Excuse me?
Yes? Everything all right?
There's a little more fat on the lamb than I expected.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. Would you like another piece?
Yeah, that would be great. Could I get a different piece, please?
Of course. I'll bring you another piece right away.
Thank you so much.
No problem at all. See? Easy.
I always feel weird asking.
They'd rather know if something is wrong. Anyway, want to see mine?
Wow, it looks way better than mine.
Want to try some?
No, I'll wait for mine. Yours is beef, right?
Yeah, it's really tender.
Nice. I should have ordered that.
You always order lamb, though.
I know, but not here anymore. The lamb here is too gamey. It's tough and has a strong smell.
Here you go. I asked the kitchen to replace it with a leaner piece.
Oh, thank you.
Let me know if there's still a problem.
I will. Thanks again.
Better?
Much better. Way less fat.
Good. Now you can actually enjoy it.
Yeah, I'm glad I said something.
Told you.
Still feels awkward.
You'll get used to it.
Probably not.
Do you want more water?
Sure, thanks.
This place is pretty nice.
Yeah, just order the beef next time.
Good to know.
Checking and paying the bill. Excuse me, can I get the check, please?
Sure. I'll bring it right over.
Thank you.
Here you go. Sorry for the wait. It's a busy night.
That's okay. Let me check the total.
Sure.
Wait, this seems high.
What looks wrong?
I only had one sandwich and water.
Let me look. The check shows 2 sandwiches.
2? No, I only ordered 1.
Were you eating with someone?
Yes, my friend was here earlier.
Did she order the other sandwich?
No, she got a phone call and left before she ordered anything.
I see. Let me check the order on my screen.
Okay.
It shows 2 turkey sandwiches at $12 each.
That's why the total is $24 before tax.
Yes, but you only had 1 sandwich.
Right. The water was free.
That's correct. I think I entered the sandwich twice by mistake.
Can you remove the extra 1?
My manager needs to remove it.
Is your manager here?
Yes, but she's helping another table right now.
Do you know how long it will take?
It may take a few minutes. Is that okay?
I can wait, but I need to leave soon.
I understand. I'll speak to her when she's free.
Should I pay this check now?
No, please wait for the new check.
Okay, I want to check the new total before I pay.
That's fine. It should show 1 sandwich and the tax.
I was worried about asking. I didn't want to be rude.
It's okay to ask when something looks wrong.
Good. I'm glad I checked it.
Me too. I'm sorry about the mistake.
That's okay. Do you need this check?
Yes, please leave it on the table.
All right, I'll wait here.
Thank you. I'll speak to my manager now.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks for waiting. My manager removed the extra sandwich. Here's the new check.
Let me see. Now it shows one sandwich for $12, plus tax.
That's correct.
Great. I'd like to pay by card.
Of course. You can tap or insert your card here.
Okay. It says the payment was approved.
Yes, you're all set. Here's your receipt.
Thank you for fixing the check.
You're welcome. I'm sorry again about the mistake.
That's okay. Have a good day.
You too. Take care.
At food stand. Hello. How much is this one?
That one, it's $3.
$3. Okay. And this? What is this?
That's fried rice. It's pretty popular.
Oh, how much?
$4.50.
$4.50. Okay. I'll have the fried rice, please.
Just one?
Yes, just one. And, do you have water?
Sure, $1.
Okay. I'll take a water too, please.
So, fried rice and a water, that's $5.50 total.
Sorry, $5.50?
Yes, $5.50.
Okay. I have $10. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine, no problem.
Thank you.
Here's your change, $4.50 back.
Oh, wait, sorry. $4.50?
Yes, you paid 10, so your change is $4.50.
Ah, okay. Sorry. Yes, thank you.
No problem. Your food will be ready in just a few minutes.
Okay. Should I wait here?
Yes, right here is fine.
Thank you. Smells really good.
Haha, thank you. First time here?
Yes, first time. My friend said this place is good.
Your friend knows what's good. Come back anytime.
Yeah, I'll come back. Thank you.
Here you go, fried rice and water.
Oh, that was fast. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Bye.
Take care.